Boom, hey, what's up my friend, it's Cameron Wilkinson here in this video for you, and in this one we're going to be talking about domains and where to get them and what exactly we do with these domains. So try and make this a quick one for you. So here I'll leave the link below in this video where you can go straight to Namecheap and pick up 2 domains, because when we're working on the internet we're going to need different domains to do different things. And to keep it simple, we could realistically be doing this with 1 domain, but to keep it simple and to the point and fast, you're going to want to pick up 2 separate domains. So what domains to get and that there. So you're going to be wanting to get a website domain for email marketing, and we want to keep these separate because of simplicity, and you just want to keep them separate. So a website domain, you're going to typically want to go for something short and memorable, nothing too long, nothing hard to spell, and make sure and try and keep it .com. Okay, so you're going to want to type in, say, your name, .com. So mine was .com, and I went and got that for my website. But you don't necessarily need to have a website yet, but this is primarily because of email marketing, and the importance of having your own private email for email marketing is because you cannot use generic email addresses for email marketing. They won't get delivered as well, and it's a lot more professional when you have your own private email. Okay, then the next kind of one you're going to want to go for is a tracking domain, which mine was limitlessfuture.club, and you're going to want to do something different with this here, but you're going to want to pick it up for later on, and I'll show you exactly how you go about setting that up in a little bit in this video. So you're going to want to set this up in your tracking account, and this is going to be for your custom tracking and really knowing what's going on in your online business. So you're going to want to pick up them 2 domains. Okay, so once you get the 2 domains, you're going to want to go to your website domain and then go to manage and go down to private email and then go to manage again. Okay, within your website domain you can go down to mailboxes and go to buy mailbox, and you can go down to here and you'll already get 1 mailbox included with your domain, and then you're going to want to get another domain, potentially another private email, potentially for one for your email marketing, and then another one for your website support and stuff like that there. So an idea of this would be contact at your domain or for your email marketing, and then admin at your domain for your admin for your website and that there. But you don't need to necessarily have a website set up or anything yet, but you're going to want to ideally have 2 domains. You can also do your name at your domain for other people and your support team and stuff like that there, and that's how you would do that there. Okay, so whenever you get your 2 domains, you're going to want to get 2 private email addresses for your website support and your email marketing. Okay, so that will be that set up for now if you've done that, and then the next move is to set up your custom tracking domain. Now the reason why you need a separate custom tracking domain is because everybody is going to be promoting the same tracking link and you want to stand out, and if that tracking link gets blacklisted or anything like that there, then your links might not work. So it's important to have your own track domain, and that means no one else will have the same links that you promote, and that will be very good practice as well. So you want to go to your ClickMagick account, and you'll find out more about ClickMagick in another video below. But when the time comes to it, to setting up your custom tracking domain, you just want to go to the help and then go to FAQs and knowledge base. Excuse me. Custom tracking domains. Okay. And then you want to go to what is the recommended way to set up a custom domain. And we'll go down to here, and you can see there's a video on how to set up a custom tracking domain using CNAME DNS records, and that will show you exactly what you need to do for Namecheap, GoDaddy, cPanel, this here, and Cloudflare. If you have a different domain register, not Namecheap, which I recommend below, then you can still set it up through this here. You can read through this whole setup and that there, but if you're running with me and you're using Namecheap, then you will be able to watch this video and be able to set it up pretty fast. You should give it probably around 24 hours to propagate and stuff like that there before it actually starts working and you see it in your ClickMagick. So that was what I had for you today in this video.